Hey, DJ Carroll here, president of EasyPro, coming to you today with a video around the project that we just completed for CBRE. This is the Landis Lakes Towne Center located in Middletown, Kentucky. As a new vendor for CBRE, we are super excited to take on this project. As you can see, the retaining walls as well as the sidewalks and the buildings had signs of mold, mildew, and algae from a lack of maintenance. But no worries, our high-flow custom-built equipment quickly washed away the dirt and debris, renewing the curb appeal of this property. We're excited to be a CBRE vendor and ask you to contact us for any of your future projects that you may need for power washing or window cleaning. Hiring EasyPro means that your exterior cleaning projects are left to the pros. With a documented less than 2% callback rate, professional equipment, and professionally custom blended detergents, we can remove stains, mold, algae, and mildew, restoring the curb appeal to almost any property. This is a great way to increase tenant morale as well as increase the rentable rates on your space. For your next exterior cleaning project, make life easy and call a pro. For your free quote, you can visit our website at myeasypro.com or give us a call at 502-732-6363.